Welcome to Suntop channel. Today, I'm thrilled to introduce you Handheld Laser Welding Machine. One of the most amazing features of this machine is that it's a 4-in-1 powerhouse. With just a few clicks, you can switch between cleaning, welding, cutting, and weld cleaning modes. Our machine is up to 4x faster than traditional methods. That means increased productivity and lower costs per part. Check out the quality. Whether it's thick, thin, or reflective metals, our welding machine delivers consistent, distortion-free results with a minimal heat-affected zone. And the best part? It's incredibly easy to use. Even without prior training, anyone can set it up and start producing high-quality welds. Safety is our top priority. Our welding machine is equipped with multi-level sensors and interlock safety features to keep operators out of harm's way. During the welding process, we use infrared positioning to ensure accurate calibration and verification of the welding position. That's why our welds are not only accurate but also beautiful. Thanks for watching.